Hola everybody on Instagram. Hopefully you're having a beautiful week. The motivation that I want to share with you, pour out to you today, is that don't build your confidence on men's compliment. Their compliment cannot dim your light and your worth. They cannot add more value to you. God, the God of a billion stars, the creator of the whole universe, the one that can calm the sea and even the waves and the wind obeys him, made your heart and called you wonderful. You're the apple of his eyes. You don't have to go out there and be comparing yourself with the other girls. I don't care how many cute guys be complimenting them or admiring them. That is not going to dim your life. You got it. You are God's beautiful, amazing, precious work of art. And the man that wants to pursue you and wants to win your heart is really going to have to fight very hard. Why? Because you're not a woman that is easily pursued. You don't want to be that.